Kung kasalanan man po ang pagiging isang bakla, humihingi po ako ng kapatawaran. Ngunit kung kaligayahan at kasiyahan lamang po ang hatid namin sa inyong lugar na nasasakupan, maaari ho ba akong malimos ng isang masikabong palakpakan? Marami po salamat. When you were born, you were crying and people around you are smiling. Live your life to the fullest so that when you die, people around you are crying and you will be the one who's smiling. Maupay na gabi sa inyong atanan, or should I say pleasant evening to each and everyone. Standing here before you is JD, the truth in real life, to win a tree. Hailing all over us from the city of stars and from the city of new horizons, by Sam, Quezon City. But tonight, since this is a pageant, distinguished panel board of judges, and to all audience tonight, allow me to stand by the name of your one and only. Love me or hate me, I will be your Miss Gabby Garcia. Binibining Gabby Garcia na naniniwala sa kasabihan, sa bawat hibla ng iyong kapintasan, ay itutulyan ka ng iyong kabutihan. Huwag kang mabahala, aking kaibigan, kung patuloy ka nilang himusgahan, dahil silang mahilig manakit, at kayo kong mga nanlalaki, ay tiyak na di pupunta sa langit. Lagi nating tatandaan na ang tunay na pagsuot ng pambansang kasuotan ay wala sa laki, wala sa tunay, wala rin po sa ganda. Pagkas ito kayo nasa iyo, pagdadala. Randy wearing this modern Filipiniana circle costume mula sa lungsod ng Mindanao, Pilipinas. Once again, this is our candidate number 6, Miss Gabby Garcia. And from the emergence of bisexual community of the Philippines, saying, I love you all.
I love you too!